Subtract 3.92 from 100.81 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the hundredths column, 1 is less than 2, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the tenths column. 8 becomes 7. The 1 in the hundredths column becomes 11. In the hundredths column, 11 minus 2 is 9. In the tenths column, 7 is less than 9, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the hundredths column. 1 becomes 0. Carry the borrow through 2 zeros. Each cross 0 becomes 9. The 7 in the tenths column becomes 17. In the tenths column, 17 minus 9 is 8. In the ones column, 9 minus 3 is 6. Bring down 9 in the tens column. Bring down 0 in the hundreds column. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 96.89.